Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to take a screenshot in your laptop using your laptop keyboard. In this video I will show you that. So if you want to take a screenshot, you just need to click on this three button. There have lot of option, but if you have a three button in your laptop, you can take a screenshot. For that, first one is Windows button, and then ALT button, and then print SC button. You just need to click on these three button together. First, Windows plus ALT plus print SC. In this three button, just press together, and then you can take a screenshot in your laptop. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.